Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template using morph transition. So let me show you how to make this, but first subscribe to my channel and watch the video till end. And don't forget to hit the bell icon and like the video and comment down. So open up a blank template and go to Insert tab and Pictures and insert your pictures from the device. So I'm going to use these four photos. Let's decrease the size and let's increase their length and decrease their width. And we're going to put them onto the template. And let's decrease their size and let's put them side by side like this. Now, what you're gonna do is select each of one and you're gonna crop each of them equally and you're gonna put them like they look really nice. So let's select all of them, go to crop to shape and select this rounded corner rectangle, go to crop to shape and select the rectangle for this first image and we're gonna put it onto the entire slide and we're gonna decrease its size, go to crop and we're gonna insert the image that it looks like it fits into the template and the picture is looking real nice. Now insert a text box and what you're going to do is insert your text and you're going to change its color, increase its size and change its color to white and you're going to change its font, go to shape format, remove its fill and give it outline and you're going to move it onto the template. You're going to increase its size a little bit, move it upwards, go to shape format and the next thing you're going to do is go to shape outline and you're going to decrease its width and I'm gonna use another text box for the title of this template and that text that I gave right now was the subtitle and not the title. So the title of this page, I'm gonna insert it and I'm gonna change this font, increase its size, change this color to white because white looks more like clear onto this template. I'm gonna make it, put it right like here and I'm gonna add my content text and there you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is select these three images and move them onto the left side. Duplicate the template, go to the second template and move all of the text in order right here like this. And you're gonna go to the first template and select these images, move them to the right and you're gonna duplicate the second template and you're gonna copy this like duplicate this text and you're gonna insert the title of the third template. So as you know, we're gonna add morph transition. So let's duplicate the template, move the text of the second template and we're gonna move the text of the third template onto the third template. And what we're gonna do is increase the size of this image and we're gonna cut its rounded corners and we're gonna go to crop and adjust the image fully like it fits into the template. And there you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is select these two images and put them onto the slide. Now duplicate this slide. You're gonna select these text and you're gonna copy it and paste it onto the third slide and you're gonna cut it and you're gonna add the title of the fourth template onto the third slide and you're gonna paste it onto the fourth template. You're gonna move the text of the third template and you're gonna move the text of the fourth template onto the template, but be sure to move it straight into line or the morph transition won't work really well. So let's increase the third image and we're gonna remove its rounded corners. We're gonna go to crop. We're gonna adjust into the entire slide, go to crop and make it look really cool like this. So I have adjusted. We're gonna move this last image into the template. Now duplicate this and this is the last template. We're gonna copy this text box and duplicate it and we're gonna insert the text of the last template onto the fifth template. So let's add our text. I'm gonna add the title. And what we're gonna do next is copy it and paste it onto the last template. And we're gonna move the text of the previous template onto the left side, and we're gonna move the text of this template onto the slide. Let's increase the size of the last image, and we're gonna insert it onto the template. We're gonna crop it and adjust it like this, that it fits fully into the template. There you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is duplicate this template. And this is gonna be our last template. We're gonna move the text onto the left side, and we're gonna move the last text, and we're gonna select all of them, and we're gonna give the morph transition. So this is the final result. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos and content like this. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below.